Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening camera and switching to cinematic mode. Tap the subject to set initial focus. Once locked, choose 1x or 2x lens for framing. Why that matters. Focal length changes background compression. Next, adjust exposure with a quick swipe up or down. Making the image brighter reduces noise and shadows, while darker keeps highlights. Make sure to enable or disable HDR depending on contrast. This preserves detail when you have bright sky versus darker foreground. Now refine focus while recording. To rack focus, tap the new subject mid-shot and let the phone smoothly shift. This creates cinematic storytelling. Once done, tweak depth control using the F slider. Smaller F numbers yield creamier backgrounds, while larger values increase depth. Also lock AE/AF when lighting or motion would force automatic jumps. This stabilizes exposure and focus. Make sure to monitor the focus box and histogram if you need precise control for skin tones and highlights. Finish by reviewing your clip in Photos. You can tap to change focal points and adjust depth after capture. This is why shooting in cinematic is powerful. Export settings matter. Choose 4K at 24 FPS for filmic look or 1080 at 60 FPS for smooth motion. If focus stutters or artifacts appear, first restart the camera app, then try ProRes if available for more stable processing. If issues persist, toggle cinematic off and on, and make sure iOS is updated to avoid software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.